Okay, how to build and tile a niche. We've got our prefabricated Schluter niche already installed. Layout is where it's supposed to be, full tile, full tile, full tile, as well as full tiles on this row. Where this is placed, full tile above, and so forth. So, first step of action is to cut your trim edging. This is a Schluter profile, 3/8 of an inch. It is called Jolly. It is matte white finish. So we used a compound miter saw to get our nice clean cuts. We tape them up to get a dry fit so that we can pull our measurements. We're going to install the sill first, then the top, and then the two sides, and then we install our marble mosaic decorative. It is a Carrera with some brown movement in it. So let's first start with the sill, install it, move to the top, again the sides, and then install the deco behind. All right, so a good little trick here is to back butter your tile. This is going to be the sill here. And we just squish and squeeze our trim edging right onto the tile and then install. So we have it keyed in here, and we back butter the tile. Collapse the ridges. So this is what you do if you want symmetrical deco mosaic behind your niche. Lay it out, really simple. Lay it out like this. You pull your measurements and you make your cuts. So you have the same cuts on each side so that it is symmetrical. So from this line to this line is the back of the niche, 18 and 7/8. We find our center, and then that's where we cut. So that we have the same cutoff on the right side as the left side. The cutout for a symmetrical Deco mosaic for behind the niche. So we used a V-notch trowel to trowel our thin set mortar for this mosaic. And again, it's going on last. Watershed, of course, is important, but you got to keep in mind, at the same time, it is irrelevant with a 100% seal system, waterproof niche. But we do this method, sill, top, sides, and mosaic last, just as good practice.